The main causes of wrinkles above your lips. The most common reason for wrinkles above the lips is natural aging. When people get older, their skin loses collagen and elastin. They give the skin of your firmness plus the ability to fit back into place. This results in sagging skin and wrinkles on your upper lip. While there is no way to replace elastin, there are a number of procedures, and anti-aging will be helping to increase your body's ability to release increased amounts of collagen to the skin. 1. Exfoliation. Some tips can remove wrinkles above the lips and make them softer. The exfoliation is like one of the vital glasses of the skincare and can change the appearance of the skins with the time. In general, exfoliating the skin around the mouth helps to remove dry and dead skin cells to show fresher and younger skin underneath. You should wash your lips with a soft exfoliating. It will make the vertical lines on your lips less shallow. Lips can also retain moisture. These dead cells are eliminated. 2. Facial exercises for your lips. Pout your lips. Do not load lips or grind your teeth. Place an index finger in the center of the upper lip and gently touch. Imagine you are trying to crush a pencil between the lips that lie just below the index finger is touching. Perform the lip wrinkle exercise for 1 minute. Exercise makes your lips bigger and smaller the vertical wrinkles of the upper lip. 3. Lip Wrinkle Cream. It is best to apply wrinkle cream to deal with the deep wrinkles above the lip. There are several anti-wrinkle creams available in the market that aims to fix upper lip wrinkles. Select the best wrinkle cream that will help nourish the skin and enough deep wrinkles on your lips while inhibiting the appearance of new wrinkles. You should choose a cream for wrinkles hydroxyl. These creams take care of the natural acids that are released from the top layer of dead skin. Looking at the skin around his mouth. 4. Vitamin E oil. Just use the vitamin E oil on your lips before bed every night. The oil softens and nourishes the fine lines and wrinkles on the lips. Vitamin E fights against free radicals, thus preventing the formation of wrinkles and the aging process, due to its rich antioxidant property. Scientific studies that have vitamin E have restorative properties, restore and repair damaged cells. Dry skin is more likely than wrinkles. This oil moisturizes the skin from the depths, avoiding opaque skin for its moisturizing properties. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon paste also works well to give a certain cure in the wrinkles above your lips. This will eliminate wrinkles and deep lines. Here it is the recipe that explains how to get rid of wrinkles above your lips with cinnamon. Just apply the cinnamon paste to the lips and hold for 30 minutes. Click here every day to emboss wrinkles on the lips completely. 6. Sugar and lemon juice. Lemon will brighten the skin while decreasing the appearance of wrinkles due to its acid. Lemon juice can rejuvenate the skin by removing dead skin cells in the body, which can help reduce lines and wrinkles. It also helps to clarify age spots and blemishes by whitening your areas. The website suggests you should use fresh lemon juice. Do not use lemon juice for bottling because it contains chemicals that can damage your skin. The method is: mix a little sugar with a little lemon juice. Now use this sugar with smaller crystals. After that, apply this on your lips for 15 minutes. Rub the lips gently and after this, wash this. Try this every day. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains antioxidants that fight free radicals to stop the formation of early wrinkles. Coconut oil contains a compound it is called an emollient that acts as a natural moisturizer to minimize wrinkles and soften the skin. In addition, the oil contains vitamin E and lauric acid is considered to be really healthy for skin nutrition and inhibits the early sign of wrinkles. In addition, this oil is effective to reduce wrinkles and wrinkles. Because of the recent Epoch Times news, this oil moisturizes the skin and tries to maintain its elasticity. All you need to do is massage the lips every day at night with coconut oil and in the morning Washington. This method also makes your lips softer and pink as well. Coconut oil has multiple vitamins that will surely fade the depths wrinkles on the upper lips.